All right, this is Scott from Tonar, and this is a basic video on how to reduce carbon in clear Ptex. The easiest way I find to do this is to use a metal scraper, and once the candle is going at a pretty good burn rate, you just scrape the carbon off of the candle and then make sure that you're just high enough above the base to get a blue flame. You want to avoid the yellow, which indicates carbon's burning. So right where it's burning blue, too low and the candle will go out, too high and you'll get more carbon. You can see it's going down clear, and as needed, just wipe it across the scraper. Again, you're getting a very clear burning candle, and that I find is the easiest way to get a good looking repair on a clear base. Hope this helps.